guys, my name is Tolu. I'm from Career Transitioners, and today I want to talk about how to become a business analyst. I actually want to share 5 steps on how to be a business analyst. First step is get formally trained. The reason I make this the first one is because I see a lot of business analysts in the industry. I work with a lot of business analysts on a day-to-day basis, and I see a lot of business analysts don't actually have formal training on how to become a business analyst or what business analysis is all about. They have a lot of technical skills, a lot of subject matter expertise, but not great at understanding what a BA actually does, and it kind of shows. So I say get formal training. There are a couple of standards that are out there in the market at the moment. The first one, the one I recommend, is the BCS certification programs. If you're in the UK, you would know that the BCS is the de facto certification body for business analysts. If you're in the US or Canada, the IIBA is the recognized certification body. But the BCS, for us, I'm in the UK, for the guys in the UK, the BCS is the one that you really want to go for. I actually recommend the Foundation Certificate in Business Analysis. It gives you a nice broad view of what business analysis is all about. So I say, number 1, get formally trained. Number 2, get some hands-on experience. There's nothing better than knowing how to do some of the tools, how to use some of the tools and techniques that you learn in a classroom. For example, how to draw a business process or how to map a business process. Being able to do it with a real life example or in a real world scenario situation is really, really important. And I highly recommend getting some hands-on experience. If you don't have any experience in business analysis at all, there are lots of organizations that specialize in giving hands-on experience. Sometimes there are organizations that don't realize that they require a business analyst that you can actually work for free. So I highly recommend getting some hands-on experience before you go into trying to become a business analyst. The third point I recommend is to develop your CV as a business analyst CV. Business analysis is one of the most highly sought after skill sets or career in the digital economy today. Only second to perhaps project management. Lots of careers are becoming very popular, like UX designers, and lots of sort of development roles or IT roles are becoming very popular, digital marketing becoming very popular, but business analysis is still one of the most highly sought after roles in the digital economy. So creating a CV that tells of you, that talks about you as a business analyst is really, really key. Fourth point is develop your LinkedIn profile. In today's world, most roles or most recruiters actually go on LinkedIn to get to look at who you are and see if your profile on LinkedIn actually matches what your CV says. So make sure that your LinkedIn profile matches your CV, and all the things that you put, all your experiences, all your skills on your LinkedIn profile is actually relevant, is actually mirrors your CV. So develop your LinkedIn profile, make sure it sells you as a business analyst. And my fifth step is to get a business analyst mentor. Look for someone who currently works as a business analyst or has worked as a business analyst in recent times, and get them to tell you about their story, how they become a business analyst, all the things that they had to do to be successful in their role as a business analyst. Get a BA mentor and then start to figure out your career transition plan. Those are the 5 steps. So step 1, get formal training. Step 2, get hands-on experience. Step 3, develop your CV. Step 4, develop your LinkedIn profile. And step 5, get a BA mentor. Good luck, guys. Till the next time, see you.